Step one.
Step one, find the seat belt.
All right, so Matty's gonna take a drive in my C5 fixed roof coupe because he really wants to check out these seats I have. So we are going to let Matty drive.
Okay.
And he's peacocking over there with his C7 and his Corsa.
Cold start. Cold start. That was actually a cold start. We just got a good start.
We just got a cold start.
So here's the task. Thanks, Scott, again. If you're not subscribed to Scott, you know where to find. Anywhere in my channel you can find his channel. There we go.
All right, so we are in the C5 and Matty is going to take it for a spin. I don't know, where are we going?
I mean, just a quick drive. Where's the seat belt?
Step one.
Step one, find the seat belt.
And even though it's October in Pennsylvania, it's kind of warm outside.
It's hot though.
And it's hot inside of here, so I'm excited to put the window down.
This thing sounds so good.
Thanks. You look good in this car.
Want to sell it?
It fits you. Maybe.
I like the seats already though. Oh my god.
All right, here we go. All right, where are we gonna go? I don't know where we're gonna go. I don't really know this area very well, so maybe we'll go around the block somewhere.
Yeah, let's try.
I don't know.
Dude, it's way more comfortable than mine.
Is it really?
Mine is. Okay, here's the thing though. As you guys know, since I got the car, my seats, I don't know, for some reason, maybe the previous owner was a little bit overweight.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm not judging if you are, that's fine. I'm just saying that affects my driving now.
Gotcha. Because the seats are not fitted to your body type.
And I think even if you push like all the way up, it's not comfortable. That's the first thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Pete, he sat on my car. He's like, something's wrong with your seats. I was like, I know.
The cushions are blown out.
Yeah. So, and that's the thing. I don't want to have a bad audio, but I think it's too. We're going windows up right now.
Yeah.
So.
Because audio matters. So just so you guys know, we're sweating in this car
just because
we care about you and we care about the audio.
So, dude, it's very comfortable.
You like these?
Yeah, compared with mine. Like the drive position, it's like make you want to race.
Now, one of the big things about these seats that I've had issues with and I haven't fixed yet is I don't have a lot of support under my thighs.
Yeah, right? So that's true.
So they're kind of canted forward a little bit. I think we need to get some spacers to, you know, drop them back a little bit.
But the thing also is Scott's way taller than me. Maybe because for me, like the way the position is now, it's kind of perfect for me. Look, your car sounds so good.
Well, thanks, man. We can do a cam in your car.
I'll do it.
Yeah.
Don't tell my audience. But I'll do it. 5,000
subs, we do a cam. Oh no. you gotta edit that pause out. We're not sure about this yet. Do you know where we're going?
No.
I have no idea.
I'm trying to find
I think we need to get over there somewhere, maybe.
Maybe here.
Crosswicks.
And I can like make a U-turn somewhere here. And just come back that way.
So we are gonna get lost in Bordentown, New Jersey in my car. But this is good because you get to, you know, experience different road conditions.
Dude, the thing is, again, about the seats, right? My seats are they stock seats, and I have two options. Or either get those Evo 10, right? Or rebuild my stock one. But to rebuild my stock one, it's basically the same price to get those seats. Can I go here?
You can go. You can go anywhere you want. You're in a Corvette.
So getting the Evo, I think it's just giving more like, you know, a modern look to the car. I'm just gonna go here and try to make a turn. I'm just gonna put Waze in here, or put Jimmy's back in here, and it'll take us there.
I'll just hold it up so you can see where to go.
I got it. But dude, overall, there we go. I don't feel like it's it's a competition kind of seat, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can drive this thing, don't you think? It's not as comfortable as I can only imagine how different it is from your C6 for your C5 to your C7.
It's a big difference, yeah.
Because the C7 is very comfortable.
Yes.
But these, dude, I just love it. I think that's the one I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, the thing with these seats are they're definitely more firm than the stock seats, without a doubt. But they've got some really nice bolstering without being too aggressive, so you don't feel like you're climbing out of a bathtub when you get in, or climbing into a bathtub, right? So
that's true here, right? Like,
exactly.
you don't feel like you're climbing in and out of the car,
right?
And what I like, I don't know about you, is this.
Yeah, the bolster, shoulder bolsters.
Yeah. You feel like it's embracing you.
Yeah.
I don't even know if that's the right
no, it's a great,
way to
that's the right word, yeah.
And you feel like, you feel like the driving experience more a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Of course, I'm driving a totally different car. Your car has what? Like, headers,
it's
cam?
got headers, cam, tune, yeah. Nothing crazy. I don't get to sit in the seat enough. That's fun. Oh, we just got passed by a Corvette.
I just let him pass because it's a C6. Oh, I gotta go straight, you know? Yeah. But dude, thank you for letting me drive.
Yeah, man. It's awesome. I'm glad you had a chance to drive it.
And we got there.
Yeah, seats are one of those things where it's hard to make that investment without testing them out first, you know?
And yeah, I wasn't expecting to see this car here today, so.
Just watch going in. This is a big, you gotta kind of take it on an angle.
Oh, dude.
It's not it's not a Corvette friendly entryway. Check this out, guys.
So we have a challenge here. No, don't put this in your video, please. You know what?
Fine.
David didn't destroy his car. I would do it.
If you don't know what Matty's talking about, you got to watch the video where Yellow Vet 04 does trivia in his car. I think it's on his channel. Oh, nice work. Wow. That's impressive. Look at that. Matty got skills. All right, we're going to pull back into the parking lot and continue the fun afternoon here at Jimmy's. All right, so thanks for spending some of your day with me. Please consider subscribing to the channel, smash that like button, and leave me some comments. You guys know I love interacting with people who love cars and Corvettes just as much as I do. Till next time, see ya.